Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how I did the DIY concrete planter. So this planter that we used for the first one is from Canadian Tire, but I would say you could definitely use anything that has a little bit of grit to it. We use the Ardex Feather Finish in gray, and you just add water to it until it's like a pancake-like consistency. And then I used a artist brush to apply the mixture to the planter. For the first layer, I just did it pretty thin and clean, but you could definitely add more texture to it if you wanted that look. It would just take a little bit longer to dry. And then while I was waiting for that one to dry, I just picked up a random planter that I didn't love the look of and decided to cover it with the extra mixture that I had. And this one actually only needed one layer. So for the second layer, for this one, I would definitely recommend using a spray bottle to keep your mixture wet while you're waiting for it to dry, just because it does dry pretty quickly. So this made for a bit of a thicker layer and a little more texture. So there she is. I waited overnight for it to dry, and then the next morning they were ready to go. We actually have concrete planters that we got from HomeSense. They're really heavy, and I love the look of them, and I love that they can all match now. But this kind of like gives you the texture and everything that you're looking for, but they're a lot lighter. And you can definitely add more texture if you use like a palette knife. This plant stand that we like to swap in and out depending on the setup of the room. This is by a Canadian company called Power Designs. They're located in Halifax, Nova Scotia. I love it because it just gives the planter a little bit more height. And then this is how the other one turned out. This one, like I said, only needed one layer, which was nice. And the planter itself had a lot of texture to begin with.